Bible Lessons. A note to parents. What is the best gift you can give your children? There are many things they need, including your love, guidance, and protection. By far, though, the most precious gift you can give them is knowledge of Jehovah and of the truths found in His Word, the Bible. Such knowledge can help your children grow to love Jehovah and serve Him wholeheartedly, even from a tender age. Many parents have found that young children respond best to brief lessons and activities. We are delighted, therefore, to provide this publication, My Bible Lessons. Each lesson is designed to teach in a simple manner. The artwork and accompanying text have been prepared especially for children aged 3 and under. Suggestions for activities are included. My Bible Lessons is not a toy for children to play with. Rather, it is designed for you to read along with your children, thus promoting communication. We feel sure that this publication will prove helpful as you teach your children Bible truth from infancy.